Long working hours, endless closing days buried in paperwork. Don't worry, I've been there too. Introducing Jerome, your friendly marketing guide, your digital growth partner, and the smarter way to automate office documents and boost productivity. From contracts to sales reports, everything gets done in seconds, not hours, so you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing paperwork. Say goodbye to stress and hello to smooth automation, faster sales, and smarter work. Subscribe to this channel for business growth at Jerome, where we turn your daily hustle into digital success. Work smart, automate, dominate.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to your channel, Sucking It, with your favorite host, Jerome. This is the channel for smart, simple, and practical digital skills. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on our next tutorial on digital skills. Thank you. So today we have an interesting topic. We are going to do mail mergers. And what is mail mergers? Well, you're in luck. So for today's video, I'll show you how to create personalized letters in Microsoft Word and using data from Excel. And that is what we call mail mergers. That is the magic of mail mergers. So here we have two files. This is the Word document, and here we have drafted a letter announcing that we are appreciating our clients and we're inviting them for a celebrational event. And here is the list of all the attendees, their name, their addresses, their region, addresses from where they are coming from, and the zip code for the address to send the letters to. So on the left we have the sample letter, and on the right we have the address list, and these details will automatically fill on the letter itself. And that is how the magic of mail mergers work. So the first stage is to come here. You have your document here. So in the top side of the menu bar, go to Mailings. And then you choose Smart Mail Merger and select Letters. So you can do various activities: email messages, envelope, labels, directory. All these are applicable when it comes to mailing. But for our case today, we shall do what? Letter. And after choosing the letters, we need to select the recipient using an existing list, which we already have here, and connect to our Excel file. So let's go to the second step, which is inserting the merger fields. We need to insert the merger fields here. So come here into the mergers field. This is where we shall insert the mergers field, and we have the list of the first name according to our to our Excel sheet here. You can see the last name, the address, the city, the state of origin, and also the zip code. So here we shall insert the first name first. We shall come here to the email, and this area we had preserved for the slot where we shall be putting the address. So come here, and then you press enter. Come to your merger field and insert the first name, space, and then the last name, space, enter. As we had stated, the first name, the second name, we have it here also, the first name and second name. And then you come here, you come enter. So we had entered before. So we enter again. We enter the address We space, we enter the city, we enter, and then we put the state of origin, and then we put a comma, and then we put the zip code. Great. Now we have the information as we wanted. First name, last name, up to the zip code. Now we need to put the name of the person we are sending the letter to. It can be a Mr. or a Miss. But for our case, we shall stick to what? First name or the last name. So you come here, you highlight here. And then we put what? Press the last name. And here we have matched our letters according to our addresses. Now we want to print. And before we print, we have a tutorial which showcases on how you do to make a link which is visible. And this is very suitable when you're sending emails. If it's a digital email, we have a link which can direct you to a particular website. You click on Control and then you press the left side of the mouse. And you can see it is loading. And this is the page of our YouTube channel. As our link, it has created a page where you can view the YouTube channel. So with that said, let's finish on our tutorial for today. Next is to do what? After generating and creating the greeting line and also adding the address, we need to review our letter. Come here to preview, and we can preview. This is what we had, and this is now what we have now. Highlighting the preview button, you are able to see what we had done. But when you hit the preview button, this is what we have. So this is our preview now, and we need to send this letter for printing now. And this is how we do it. Come here to finish mail mergers. After previewing, we have seen the letters are working well. Come here to finish and mergers. And do what? Edit individual document. Choose the first option. Here is the first option. Choose the first option. And yes, we want to send all the letters to the printer. We don't want to select one particular individual. Press OK. And you can see all the letters are appearing one by one, one by one. We have what? Michelle Martin here. All our attendees are receiving the letters. We have all the letters from our event now ready to print and send it to our recipient. All of these letters. Karen Scott here. We'll go to Karen Scott. She's here. She's here. Up to the last individual. Who is Anthony Harris. Let's go to the last individual, Anthony Harris. We've drafted letters for each individual in a span of 3 minutes. You can see all of these individuals have their letters now. And that's it, guys. You have just learned how to create a mail merger in Word using Excel. Simple, fast, and powerful. If you find this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe at this particular channels for more digital updates. Thank you. See you next time.
Long working hours, endless closing days buried in paperwork. Don't worry, I've been there too. Introducing Jerome Ken, your friendly marketing guide. your digital growth partner, and the smarter way to automate office documents and boost productivity. From contracts to sales reports, everything gets done in seconds, not hours, so you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing paperwork. Say goodbye to stress and hello to smooth automation, faster sales, and smarter work. Subscribe to this channel for business growth at Jerome Can, where we turn your daily hustle into digital success. Work smart, automate, dominate.